Hello.
Hello.
Yes, Saga.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. Hope you practiced completely.
Yes, I have practiced.
Okay. Hello, Madan. Hello. Your voice is not coming. Sorry. Do you have any doubt, Madan? shall we start or wait for Krishna?
Can start, sir. Maybe he will join later, I think.
Sorry?
He will join later, I think. Can start.
He's
Yesterday also
joining.
he
He's
joining
joining
later.
after 9, I think. No? I think he's
Yes,
joining
sir.
after 9.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are going to start. Huh?
Yes.
Today's our topic is we are going for the corridor. So for corridor, we have predefined template.
Corridor.
Okay, like how much payment we have, what is the thickness. If we want to see what is the shoulder thickness, width, curb, or footpath, everything we have. So let's check with that first. Huh? Now I'll show you that first. Today, some portion is theoretical, so that we can read first through PDF. Then we go work with OpenRod. Okay. Now I'm sharing. Now see, this is our practice workbook for using and editing template. So where it will visible. Okay, which type of it being visible. See, this is look like this. This is a template overview. This is a one kind of template. Okay. I think it is visible now. Hello.
Yes, sir. Visible.
Okay. Now you can see here we have on the top we have one payment. We have additional layer, upgrade. You can see your component and earthwork. So all things we have in this. In the side you can see this is the shoulder portion and this is our curb portion. Then we have footpath. So here we have all these things. These plus sign shows you the point. Okay. And see, this is the curve portion like this. You can see in middle curve portion, payment portion, this one. Then we have shoulder. Then we have greenery, earthwork, and then after that we have curve. Okay. So like this, we can see in 3D this kind of template. So here we have multiple kind of templates. Now I'll show you the first exercise first. See, in this, what we can see, opening any imperial or metric one. I'm opening metric in this. Okay. So you can show you first. If you want to see it properly, so we can go with this file. I can show you all the things on the corridor in 3D first. Now I'll show you first. I'm going to open a new file. That is example in metric one. Okay. I'm giving here name corridor. After this, I show you first predefined file. And then we have to create that portion ourselves. Now, see, this is a blank file. Now we need to open that particular file in which the corridor already created. Okay. So go to home and attach that file. I'm going to start download because I have that predefined file, the London corridor metric. Okay. Now let's see. Oh, that file is not attached. File is available but not visible. Let's open this one. Just attach all the files. Huh? Uh, all metric one. Now it is available, but corridor is not visible till now. Corridor is not available. I show you different file. Huh? Detach all. Now I'm attaching some other file in which corridor already created. Then you can better understand. No? This file corridor. Oops, corridor also not available in this. Detach this one also. Oops. Where is the previous file? Metric London Road. This one. Now let's check this file. Otherwise, we go for from the starting. If it is not visible, we go for to creation. Huh? In earthwork, metric corridor London. Now you can see here all things are visible. This is the 2D view. Now I want to show you its 3D. Okay. So now let's go with 3D. Oh, it is not attached with terrain, no? Now attach the terrain file also. So that we can see the 3D view properly. Download metric. In this terrain file is not available. Oops. This terrain is here and second file is here. We can't attach them, no? Because its origin are different. Okay, let's check the origin are both are consonant word. Yes, but that's not are matching. So I'm removing all and go with the starting. Okay, we are going to create manually. We have to create ourselves. Now, what we have to do here, we are going with the template file first. It is not available in 3D directly by default. So what we can do, like I will show you this 3D file like this when we are created. Okay, then I show you that. Now, next we are seeing this template file. It is look like this. So from where we get it? We get it from the corridor in the template file. So see, you can see here we have some template options. In the template file, we have rail, ramp, ruler, asphalt pavement, concrete pavement with shoulder, overlay, tunnels, urban. So we have multiple options in it. So which kind of payment template you want to choose, you can. If you want to change in it, you want to add it in it, we can also add it in it. Okay. Now we are going to open it. Before it opens, I show this is properly visible. This kind of file we need to open. Okay, now we go for it. Now we have to open here the template. How we can open? We have to go to corridor. Okay, please see carefully. In the corridor, we have to create new corridor, but before this, we have to, if you want to create a new type of template, you can create. Otherwise, you can modify also. See, in the template, we have option. In template, you have to go to create template. Okay. So it will show you one kind of template. See, here we have multiple things. For which file is opened here by default. See, it's template asphalt pavement. But we want to see suppose concrete one. So what we can do? We have to go to concrete, undivided, and 2 lanes. Just double click on it. We get that template. See, in this you can see in the top we have first pavement, first layer. Then we have component layer second. And here after this gap we have portion. Okay, the shoulder. EOS means edge of shoulder. Okay, see here we have name EOPR. This is means EOP means edge of pavement right side. Edge of pavement right side, first one. So these all are the EOP1, EOP2, R side. Then it means right side. Similarly, we have in the central line CL, CL1, CL2. The 3 points are available here. Similarly, here we have EOPLL, EOPL, EOP1L, so 2-1L, 3-1L, 4-1L. We have multiple points up there also. Similarly, here we have EOS, the edge of shoulder, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have EC, the component. So we have multiple things. Now you want to see its properties. See, this is our origin. Where the CL point is available, that is our origin of the page, of the grid. That is 0, 0. You can see here we have 0 and here we have 0. That is our origin. So by default, the template is set on the origin. Okay, so just suppose I'm double click on it. You see the properties. This CL property is the type is not available, constraints are not available. Okay, but as well as we are going for the EOP, we can see its properties. Where it is placed. The EOPR, where it is placed at slope minus 2%. Minus 2% means it is a downside. Okay, the falling slope will be this. That's minus 2%. What is the width of this? Width is 3.65 meter. Okay, and you can see here we have showed the label. That label is shows for pavement slope R and pavement width R. Okay, that is visible on it. Similarly, if you want to see left side one, just double click on this point. See, it's 2%, and the width is minus 3.6. So from this point to this point, we have to go now. It is rising gradient. It shows rising gradient, and it is plus 2%. Okay, and the width is same, 3.65, but it is in minus because it is in minus x direction. Okay, the x value should be negative. That's why it is negative. So we can see all this data from just simple double click on it. Now, if you want to change it, so I want to change, suppose I want to create a new template and I want to change in it. So what we can do, or you want to see some separate portion, like you want this payment separately, you want shoulder separately, you want other things separately. So we have that portion in the component. See, you want barriers, bridges, channel, curves, medians, pavement, pavement overlay, shoulder. These are separate available also. See, I'm going to the pavement. In the pavement, we are going for the concrete one, undivided. You can see only single lane is available like this. Okay, on the only right side. Left side, we want left side also, so we can create left side also. Okay. So which type of portion you want to create, we can separately we can choose that portion and we can place. See, concrete with curve. So here see we have curve also, that in the last. Okay, this is the sample, different we can see. If you want to create a template, new template separately, and you want to place from this, some portion from this, some portion from second portion, some portion from others, so we can create also. Okay, is that clear? Suppose I need to create one copy of the portion. So how we can do? Just suppose I'm going to close this all. Now I'm going to template. Right click over there and create a new template. You can create a folder separate. So you can create a template only. Okay. Suppose I want to create in undivided. Here we need to create one template. So see, a new template will be created with nothing. Only origin will be there. Suppose I'm giving here two lane and I'm talking about London Road, so I'm taking London Road. Okay, so suppose I'm taking with this name. Now you want to copy this two lane into this. So see, you can choose from single click here so that it's visible here. And then I want to copy this one and place into our London Road. See, it is blank here and here also. But I need to place the same two lane on this London Road so that we can import this London Road. Okay. So what we can do, just you have to check click here and you can drag and drop here at the origin and place at the origin so that it is similar portion we can do. See, the point is changed right now. Okay, so it's changed, its value is different now. It's not at the origin. So you have to zoom in, zoom out, and then when you are placing it now, then you can change. I'm using Control Z to remove it. Now say I want to place it properly on this place, and you can drop at the point. Oops, I'm placing EOP in this. So see, the point remains here. So like this, you can place a copy and create your own file. I'm going to delete it. I'm not required the next one. Okay. Now let's see what is next in this. When you see this, you can edit, you can change. Oh no, sorry, I'm going to change in it now. So again, I'm sorry, I'm to change a new template and I need to copy from it. And we can place this one at the origin. Oh, it is not placed. Okay, let's see. Now we need to change. I need to change its left side. It is 3 meters, suppose. So what we can do, just double click on in EOP. When the property is open, then you can type the value here -3 meters. And you can apply and close. Now it is 3 meters. It is shifted towards this side. Now you can see the double click on it again. You can see it's now 3 meters. Okay, you want to change its slope also. I need the here flat. So here it is you can see from the top, it's 0. Apply and close. You can see its slope is 0 now. See here it is flat. Like this, we can edit all these things, all points from where to where you want to edit it. Now you can. I need to change its center point at origin. We have to vector offset. No, vertical value is 0 right now. No, okay, it is already placed. So we can add it to this point. Okay, you can change its right side slope or uh, width of this. You can change. This is addition in this particular. Now see, it shows you like this. Now see here, red points are shows fully constrained with 2 constraints. Yellow is for partially constrained with 1 constraint. Green means unconstrained. So like see here we have some green. It means it is unconstrained. There is no relation between this point and some other. Red means fully constrained with 2 constraints. What are the constraints here? So constraints you want to see that is available on the active template. We can see active template. Here parametric templates are available. See, these are the templates. Sorry, constraints. Payment, payment R, payment with L, payment with right side, shoulder, shoulder width. Here we have slope, fill slope, edge wedge offset, ditches, all the things, ditch bottom slope. That constraints are available here. We can apply these kind of parametric templates, constraints here, so that this green color should be converted into red color for fully defined. Okay, like this we can edit. See, vertical plus portion shows you the positive slope and minus shows you the negative. Already tell you. Okay, there's plus 2% and minus 2%. So we can see that all things. You can edit this one and width also. Change in the width and slope payment. Already tell you how to change it. Just double click on the value and you can add it here. Okay, I show you the active templates also. At active templates tab, you have to go and you can choose a parametric constraint. These are the already available parametric constraints. So we can choose to apply. Okay, you have to take it and drag to your particular portion and you can apply this parametric constraint with values. Clear? Next, we have assembled a new template from the existing component.
So I can't. Hello. So
Yes,
I can't visual your window, sir.
you are joined late. Daily you are late.
Sorry, sir. I'm coming from the site because network problem, sir. Today is I am now in Arunachal Pradesh. One of CM is coming. The network is very slow. I can't
Okay,
connect it.
now it is visible.
Visible, sir.
Okay. Now see here we have option assemble a new template from the existing component. From the library, template library, we can import the component. I told you this one also how we can import it. Okay, that is available into the dynamic settings. Now we are going for set up the template options. So here we have one object that is dynamic settings in which we can place our origin. Okay, that is I'll show you in the template file first. Okay, now we have to define the grid setup. So grid setup is in steps 1 and 2. 1 and 0.1. But in y direction it is going for 0.1, 0.1, and in x direction it is going for 1 value. Okay, that value is in mm. We are working, meters. We are working with the meters now, metric version. So we can apply these values so that we see the grids there. Now we go for any one. See, you want to create your own. We can open one lane template and we can copy it. I show you this, how to copy. Then some other person want to copy. So we can add it here. Go to template, create template. And now again, I'm going for the creation a new file. Right click, new. Sorry, I want to create folder. Okay, no issues. And I'm going to create template in it. I'm giving that new template name. Now we have to add here one template. First, we have to go for dynamic settings so that we can edit the grid. So go for tools. Here we have dynamic settings, in which you have to set origin and step. See, already step is available, or the origin is 00 already set. So no need to change it. You can set it dynamic origin. Close. And if you want to check your own, you can place it origin here. I am placing at 00 by default. Okay, it is placed. Now we have to add here one lane. So from the component, you can choose this type of payment. First, concrete one and undivided one lane. But in this, we have some other portions too. We go for in which we have only single component. We have to search so that we can add separately. In which without shoulder, only upper portion will be there. So that is, I'm going for asphalt only. We have kind of lines are available. I need only single lane. See, here we have both side objects, two lanes. This is with shoulder. I think that is not available in our site. Huh? See, we have this one and other portion also. The two things are available. I need a single one. Let's take the single one in which we have this one lane RT. Component, payment new, concrete payment folder, one lane. It is not available. See, in the component we are here, payment new, only concrete is not available. See, concrete folder is not available. Here we have concrete payment with asphalt shoulder, concrete payment with concrete shoulder. Only concrete is not available. Single portion is not available here. See, in the power lay, payment only. Oh. We didn't have anything here also. Separate shoulder we have, asphalt shoulder full depth we have. Concrete with aggregate base. This one we have. Don't double click. Okay, that single lane is not available. What we can do, we are going for the asphalt one, and single lane we are going to choose. Okay, this one. But where? In our new template file. Where it is? Here. So double click on this new template, and I want to copy what? The asphalt one lane. So I'm going to create asphalt one. Okay, asphalt this asphalt shoulder we need to add. So we are going to add it point, and you can place at this origin. Now see, it's placed at the origin here. This is our one lane. Now see, it is EOP this side, and asphalt is available. Now we need to add here asphalt shoulder in our right side. So what we can do? Now we have to go to shoulder. Of this, now we are going to shoulder asphalt full depth or low volume. It's your choice which kind of use you want to choose, and where you to place. I have to place, suppose, on this point. Okay, after EOP or after this PW. So it's our choice. We have to open it from this point and we can place it like this. Or if you want to place it here, it's a choice on which point we need to place. Okay, this is EOS left, EOS right. This is our shoulder. Okay, so like this we can place our separate portion and we can add it and create a new template. Which kind of template we require. Okay, so like this we can just open and place. See, the next is going to place in the bottom. Next is placed at the right side. This is concrete with aggregate shoulder. It is placed here. So like this, we can create our own template. We can save it for further use. If you want to place here curb, so see, you have to copy the curb template into the project and you can place it simply here. Okay, if the curb and gutters are not available, okay, in your component. Now let's see it is available or not. Now we are going to check first. In the components, the curves are there, curves and gutter also available. If it is not available, now we have to copy here from the library. But it is available in this list. Otherwise, what we can do, we are going to copy it from the template library. Okay. We have to open one template library organizer. From the available list, you have to copy here. Okay. Just you need to copy and paste it in the component. So it is shown is here also. But it is already available. Similarly, this template is available in your particular. So let's see. The ditches is available. We can see ditch is not available. Only curves are there. Career, curves, gutter, mountable. The ditches are not available. So what we can do? We have to add from template library organizer. I need to add ditches into the component. See, now see here, nothing is available in the component. Sorry, already available. See, is the end conditions. This is available. That's why see here we have nothing because I already copied that all to our component list. That's why here we have nothing in available in. So I already placed it. So it is available into the end condition. Ditches are available. See. So if it is not so in your system, you can just copy and paste in this side from the template organizer. Okay. You can do this thing so that you can create your own template. See, now curve is placed at the top of it. Then you have to add some sidewalk portion, add some distance. So you can place like this. Sidewalk from the components, you can place it. Similarly, you have to copy paste, drag and drop to your position. Then you have to add hinges. Kind of hinges we have, which you can add in the right side. If you want to copy this portion into or you want to draw it, see drawing option is also there. Test and conditions. Okay. Now you want to choose 2-lane urban. You want to create the same position, you have to create two sides, or you have created a single one and you have to mirror this side, the same portion. So we can mirror it also. See, I show you this. It is in the right side right now. I need this all portion to the left side. Okay, you have to place a cursor on it, on the point. So the mirror option is not available here. Oops, sorry. Go to component. We have payment. This shoulder I'm taking, suppose one lane, and place it from origin. I need it to left side also. This is right side portion. Now first go for dynamic settings and let's check. One second, it is hanged. Oh, it's hanged. Okay, now it is origin is already set. Now we go for tools, options, and see if left and right options are available. We need to give the naming here. You can see here we have option. We have to give the name, which is going to be point sheet. I'm going to change the EOP. EOP means edge of the payment. We go through, give any name here in this. So you can use in E we have EOP, this one, and click on OK. The mirror option is not coming. See, in the down we have some options. Zoom in, zoom out. Here we have dynamic setting is generally when we are long press right click here, we get that option like mirror and all, but right now it is not coming. Delete constraint, change template, add constraints. The mirror option is not available. Now let's check here. See, we have to single click on the right lane, RT template, and drag. You are dragging it. Now see, from the left mouse button and select the mirror. But this option, these options are not coming when we are left click on it. Simple, you have to left click and we get that option, mirror and all. But it is not coming. We can see all the things, all the properties of the point. Left click is not working here. The double click property is available. You try your system, it is available, but why it is not working here? Just you have to left click and the mirror option will be coming. Just you have to click on mirror. We get this, all things are available here now into left side also. It is why, because we are using single lane. If we are using directly two lane, so there is no need to mirror. Okay. Like this, we can create our own template and we can use in our corridor when we are applying this cross section to our alignment, horizontal alignment with this kind of template. So we get that in the corridor. Okay. Now we go for the next. See, it is mirrored and available into left side also. And if both are created 2 points, so we can merge them with the command of merge. This option is coming, but before this, the mirror option is not coming. So we can merge the components so that it is converted as a single payment layer. Okay. See, this line is gone because now these are two are merged together. Like this, we can create our own template. Is it clear? Now you can try first to open the template and try to create a new template. Then we go for the modification to modify. We already did. Yes. So we can add it and we can create. These are the ditches which is already created. So generally we are using by default created template. Sometimes we need to create our own. Otherwise, the existing one are all right basically. So we can use this kind of thing. Okay. Now that is applied on the corridor, and we have to assign the same template. But this is the part after creation the template or working with the template first. Okay, now it's time to try this template portion, how to open, how to edit, how to change it. I'll share with you this one first so that if any doubt you can ask me or you can search into this. Okay. This is about template only, because if we have template only, then we can create the corridor here. Okay. No, I don't want to save this one. If you want to save it now, go to file and save this. So this one is saved. I don't want to save it. Okay. After creating template, then we go for the corridor. Clear? After corridor, we go for the super elevation to provide a net. Then we can see the sections everywhere, every station. We can see the different sections. So then we can complete this corridor section. But first we need to use template properly. I'm sharing with you this file. And try the mirror option now first. In my system, mirror option is not available or not visible. You can try in your system and tell me if mirror option is available and you can complete it. Okay. When it is completed na template portion, then tell me we go with the corridor and how to assign this template to our corridor. I'll tell you. First, go and practice it. Tell me when completed, okay? Then we applied some template to our corridor. Hello? Is it done? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Raghav? Madan?
Sir.
Hello?
Tell me, sir.
I'm asking, is it done?
Sir, trying, sir.
Trying, okay. Krishna? Is it completed? Hello? Hello, am I audible? Hello? Raghav, Madan, Krishna, I'm audible?
Yes, sir.
Is it completed? Shall we? Raghav, are you there? Krishna? Can we start? Hello. Is this completed? Hello. Today I want to complete this corridor assigning also. Why you are not replying? Hello. Hello. Madan, is this completed? Hello.